Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a Halloween project. I thought I'd make something for Halloween to put my share of crafty Halloween out there for this season, and this is what I came up with. I made this tiny little flip book that will hold 4x3 pictures easily for you, and I didn't have any papers or stickers to go with this project to make something for Halloween. So what I did was I printed out some stickers, and then I went through my stash and found some papers that go with these stickers, and I was able to make something for Halloween. I hope you guys will like this project. This turned out really cute. So it says Happy Halloween on the front. I have a ghost down there, a tiny little cute little ghost. So when you open this up, you enter the haunted house. This is how it looks. It's a little pop-up flip book, and then you have this pumpkin. This book turned out really adorable. The photo mats will hold 4x3 pictures, and then you can add more pictures on the other pages as well. If you want to add smaller pictures, you can do that as well. So I really had fun making this project. If you want me to make a tutorial on how to make these pop-up flip books, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'd be happy to do so. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also make sure you comment and let me know how you like my videos. And for orders and everything, you can DM me on my Instagram. All the details will be down in the description box below. I do take custom orders, so if you're interested, you can DM me there. And this is the last pop-up. This turned out really cute, really adorable, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.